So you've just purchased your new old motorcycle. It's not running perfectly, it's been around for 20 plus years. Where do you start? I'd start off with the carb, give it a good clean, make sure it's within spec. Let's go have a look at that. Today we're looking at the KN carburetor of my KDX 125 SR. I just want to confirm that the float height is correct, as well as that it has the correct main jet and pilot jet. So let's get into it. While we're here, we'll give it a clean as well. Okay, so there is residue in the bottom of this. We'll need to clean that out. I hope this is visible. It says 115 on the main jet. This is correct to spec. The pilot jet, however, we're going to have to pull out and see if it has any markings on. There's our pilot jet that says number 48 on, which is also within spec. This is stock spec. Perfect. So there's that 115 again on that main jet. So you'll see there's a pin there that's busy moving. We don't want to push that in. We want to move the actual needle. So where it sits is where we'll measure. Okay, I'm going to go within spec here, which is 19. Now, let's measure this. So our float is sitting way above what it should be, way above. So we need to bend this little tab on the center, bend that up, bring this down to 19. Okay, that's seating. That is perfect. Right on the 19 mils. Spot on. Okay, while we're here, let's give this carb a clean. So you see this more on older bikes. Older air filters don't do as well a job, or fuel tank is holding some residue of rust or something like that, and you get gunk that sits in the carb. So let's give that a clean. We'll spray through all these passages, not through the back, through the front. You can also see some gunk here, so let's get that sorted. Okay, you'll always want to rebuild your carb on a nice clean piece of shop towel. Each part now will get blown out with the air compressor. So here's our mixture screw. According to the specs, this must be 1.5 turns out, which it is. I checked that. You just need to tweak it down. You don't have to tighten up real hard. Same thing with the pilot screw. Perfect. Not too hard ever. Next thing to inspect is just make sure that the needle is good. That one's still good. We'll pop that back in. Let's go fit this to the bike.
Now that we've put the car back, let's give her a start, see how she's doing.